How to create an upper light from the floor with a flash and beautifully portray a woman. When the sunlight hits the floor, its reflection can make a woman look beautiful. In this video, we will recreate that type of lighting with a flash. I will be using the Godox 8200. First, we'll direct the camera onto the subject from the upper left. This actually looks nice and has a cool look with the shadows caused by the harsh light. When aiming the flash directly, the color temperature increases and the image becomes bluish. Next, we try bouncing the light off the white wall on the left. This light is softer, and I like the smooth as well. By directing the flash a little diagonally upwards, the light becomes more natural. By bouncing the light off the white wall, the color temperature lowers and the picture becomes a little bit more of a warm tone. Next, to recreate the image of sunlight reflecting off the floor, we use one more light, the 8200, and bounce it off the floor. We place the flash at 50 cm distance from the floor. Place it at an angle so that the flash doesn't hit the subject directly. There's an upper light and it's near to what we want, but the upper light a little too strong. When the upper light is too strong, it's called a ghost light, which is not well liked. We move the flash a bit to the back and reduce its power. The balance between the main light and the upper light is nice, and the upper light makes the woman look lovely. By adding an upper light, we can also reduce the looks of wrinkles and fine lines. So we can also make our subject look younger. In this way, by reproducing the type of natural light you like, we can create lighting that brings out the charm of woman even in the studio. This type of light matches well with many different poses, especially the type of pose when the subject is looking down. Everyone, please try it out.